Hello everyone. Want to automate the documentation publication process on WordPress and stay hassle-free? SchedulePress can help you in coordinating document publishing with forthcoming feature releases and other updates. Before proceeding, make sure you have them installed on your site. Now, go to Better Docs from your WordPress dashboard and click to add a new doc. Set your title and include all content. From Docs settings, choose your relevant category and select applicable tags from Docs settings. Next, go to the SchedulePress dashboard to configure settings. On the General tab, add docs from the Show Post Types option. Then, save the settings. To auto-share scheduled documents directly to social platforms, follow these steps. Go to the Social Profiles tab, add a profile to a social media platform. We are configuring LinkedIn profile here. And hit Connect your account. In the following screen, sign into your account. Then, your account will be visible in SchedulePress in a pop-up. Select Profile and Save. Once done, toggle on to enable the profile and save changes to continue. Now, let's schedule your document from the Doc Editor page using SchedulePress. Here, from the Publish settings, add your suitable date and time of scheduling. Then, from the Social Share Platform section, select LinkedIn. Check if the profile settings are set to default. Once done, tap the Schedule button. WordPress will ask if you are ready to schedule. Hit the Schedule button again, and your document will be scheduled to be published at your preferred time. You can check if your doc is scheduled properly from the SchedulePress dashboard. Navigate to the SchedulePress calendar. Go to the scheduled date, and you will find your document here with the published time mentioned. Click the three dots and you will find options to view, edit, delete, and more. You can view your document from here. That's it. You have successfully configured auto-publishing docs at your preferred time using SchedulePress. Did you find this video helpful? Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this.